Alrighty. So, it's my 1998 Ford Ranger wheel arch repair. Driver's side continuation. This is what I'm using. I did block sanding. Now I'm gonna do some finish primer with some finish sanding. This is about as close as I can get it. It's really smooth. But I'm gonna do an extra couple of steps here. So here we go. Coat number 1. Uh-oh. Can's a little doggy. Ah, come on, Rustoleum. Do your thing. I might have to really shake it. Since I don't want to play. Alright. I don't know. Something's going on with the can. I might not use it as much as I want. So anyway, call it coat number 1. Call it a light coat. Alrighty.